Keep caulk tube preservation products tidy before they make your next repair. Treat preservation products like precision tools by cleaning every contact point after each use. Start by wiping the outside of the cap and stopper with a lint-free cloth to remove any dried residue so the parts seat properly next time. Remove and clean the nozzle or tip with a small brush or a paper towel while the product is still soft. If the product has cured, soften it briefly with a recommended solvent following the product instructions and scrape gently to avoid damaging threads. Store the tube upright if the product instructions allow so gravity keeps material away from the cap area. And for cartridges, use a reusable cap or a small amount of compatible sealant applied to the threads for an airtight barrier. Choose preservation products that are designed with easy pull tabs or simple snap caps to reduce handling and minimize smears when you open and close them repeatedly. Mark the date and type of caulk on the tube with a permanent marker so you know compatibility and shelf life at a glance and avoid cross-contamination. Keep a dedicated small tray or container for your nozzles, caps, and tools so residual material does not transfer to clean surfaces. Common problems are caps sticking shut from dried material, nozzles clogging between uses, and thread or plunger contamination that prevents a tight seal. If the cap sticks, soak it briefly in warm soapy water and clear the sealing surface before forcing it back on. Force can strip threads. For nozzle clogs, cut the tip slightly back to a clean section or use a thin wire to clear the passage. And always wipe immediately after dispensing to stop buildup. If threads or the cartridge mouth collect residue, clean them with a cloth and a small disposable scraper before installing any stopper, so the seal is snug and prevents air intrusion. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by listing professionals and providing a space to discuss products and techniques related to caulking and preservation. We host a discussion community where users and contractors share tips, ask questions, and compare approaches so everyone can keep their tools and materials working properly.